Good evening or morning, depending on where you are. Presently, right now, here in Hermitage, Tennessee, it is 5:23 a.m. on a Friday morning, May the 17th. This is to let everyone know who subscribes to my YouTube channel. Effective Saturday morning, May the 18th, I will be changing the categories of over 200 videos. Basically, what that means is if you are getting notifications from my email channel, you may want to turn those off for Saturday and then turn them back on Sunday morning when you get up. Otherwise, you're going to be flooded with notifications of changes. You don't want that. So if you use Discord and you're using the YouTube thing to go over and bring my new YouTube videos into your Discord, you may want to mute that channel or even disable, take it off the list entirely, so that the bot won't be bringing all these things in. It will flood you like crazy. Found that out last time. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel itself, you will want to turn off the notifications. You don't necessarily have to unsubscribe. Just go up and click the little bell, turn off notifications, and then turn them on again Sunday morning if you wish to continue. I'm doing this for a reason. Some of the old unlisted videos, it's time for it to be made public. Some of the categories are being switched from entertainment to how-to or tech or something. I've got to find out exactly what category I'm trying to get them all to fit into. I've got to do a thorough review of what categories are available, and I'll be changing categories on all of those, in addition to switching from unlisted to public. So just a word to the wise, I'm letting you all know you really want to turn off notifications from my YouTube channel, no matter where you're getting them, because otherwise it's going to be a mess. And there is nothing I can do to prevent it that I know of other than go in. I've already gone in and unchecked the box for the distribution out to subscribers. Hopefully that will do it, but particularly we know that setting does not control the bot if you're bringing my YouTube things into your Discord. You really want to take me off that list for the time being, otherwise your Discord will be flooded. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we hope you have a good weekend.